Thinking about selling your home, but you're not sure if you should invest in repairs or sell it as is? Stick around as I break down the pros and cons of each. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca Arscott, and I am your trusted real estate expert here in the beautiful state of New Mexico. Today, we're going to be talking about whether or not you need to sell your house as is or make repairs before you list it. First, you want to make sure that you understand the market and understand your market. Are you in a seller's market where homes are in demand and selling quickly? Or is it a buyer's market where there's more houses on the market than there are buyers? You might getting away with selling as is if you're in a seller's market, but in a slower market, making repairs on your home could help you stand out amongst the competition. Selling your home as is does have its advantages. It's quicker, less hassle, and it'll help you avoid the upfront costs of repair. This can be particularly appealing if you are in a hurry to move or if the repairs are extensive and costly. However, there are also drawbacks. Selling as is typically means a lower price and potentially fewer interested buyers. Some buyers might see your home as a fixer-upper, and they may expect a significant discount to compensate for the work that's needed. On the other hand, making repairs to your home can actually increase your home's value and attract more buyers, which is exactly what you want. Simple updates such as fresh paint, new fixtures, and repairing any obvious issues can make your home much more appealing and potentially lead to a higher sales price. Costs and considerations. Get estimates from contractors and weigh this with the potential sales price. Sometimes small investments can actually yield significant return, but you don't want to overspend. Buyers often focus on these key areas: kitchens, bathrooms, structural issues, and systems like HVAC and plumbing. Addressing these can be crucial in making your home more attractive to buyers that are looking for a home that's ready to move in. Before we continue, I want to share a special resource with you. I have a full comprehensive seller's guide that is completely free to you. All you have to do is go to the description and click on the link and download your free seller's guide. This is going to be packed with tips and checklists, and this is going to help you navigate through the process. Go ahead and get your copy and take advantage of the information. Ultimately, the decision on whether or not you're going to sell as is or if you're going to make repairs before is going to be up to you. It's also going to be determined by your circumstance, your budget, and market conditions. If you're unsure whether or not you should be selling your property as is or if you should be investing in those repairs, I highly recommend that you consult with a real estate professional. This is going to at least give you some insight and a perspective from someone who has experience and will be able to give you the best advice possible. They will also be able to help you with your specific situation, so that way you can accomplish whatever specific goal that you have in mind. Please make sure that you let me know if you want me to do any other videos on this topic. I want to make sure that I'm providing value to you and that I answer your questions. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you do have further questions or you want to book a consultation, make sure to check the link below, and you can also find my contact information so we can go ahead and set up a call. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.